So hey everyone, welcome back to the quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a 3D CSS solar system animation. Now, in order to do it, you don't need to write the code. Just simply open any web browser you have, and let's just open a web browser. And here you have to search for codepen.io/Julian Garnier /pen/IDHU capital G. Be very careful with the URL. If you mistype it, you won't be able to reach the project. And you can do the same step from any of the platform you have. And let's just wait for. Now you can see the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for this particular 3D solar system CSS solar system has been generated that you can directly copy and use anywhere you want to use. You can clone it and make it as your project as well. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.